Hello everyone, welcome to Canteen Cut. My name is Scott, and doing a little pre-POTA preparations. Tomorrow I'm going to activate a state park, a wildlife management refuge, and a national forest all in one day. They call that a three-fer. So I'm trying a new variation of my antenna just because I think it will play easier with the park rangers. Park rangers, sometimes they get a little upset when you bury things in the ground like a stake, or you throw things in a tree. So I've tried to make this as eco-friendly or as green as I can. So what I've done is, looking at my past antenna with the vertical, all I really did is I mounted it on my buddy pole tripod. I kind of cannibalized my buddy pole, and this is what I came up with. So that's a buddy pole base, and then this is basically the same setup as I had before, my chameleon transformer, and then I attached two radials to it, which are the same ones I had before, and they're just going out about 20 feet. They're not really stretched real far out, but I've got one going in each direction. And then this is my little homemade adapter, and then that's probably the transformer that's in the antenna itself, and it goes up about 15 foot. So I tested the SWR using my little nano VNA, and on 30 meters it goes up to 3. And then on 20 meters and 40 meters it's typically 2.0 or less, which means once I set this up, I don't have to mess with it, because tomorrow I plan to operate on anywhere between 20 and 40 meters. Right now, looking at the predictions for tomorrow, it looks like 40 meters is going to be my best bet. So I'm going to start on 40 and then maybe move to 30, then maybe move to 20 or skip around. I am going to try FT8, and I think that's going to be exciting, because doing FT8 in the field without being connected to the internet has its issues, because FT8 requires accurate timing. It has to have an accurate clock. If you're off then more than a second or two, you won't be able to connect with your other stations. And so what I have done on my laptop is I have put in a little USB GPS device, and I have a little piece of software that'll allow me to sync not only my computer clock, but the WJIST software to the GPS. And so I should have an accurate enough clock where I can make contacts. And I think it's exciting, because I should be able to make a boatload of contacts tomorrow. I am bringing some bigger batteries, so I'll be able to run 30 watts or more. Probably 30 watts would be plenty. And I think it's going to be exciting. So this is just a quick update. I'll probably shoot another video tomorrow while I'm operating, but I wanted to show you today what I was working on, trying to get my antenna ready to go. I did set it up. This is the first time I set it up, and I did test it. It looks like it's going to work just fine. So we'll see you later. Everybody stay safe and stay secure.